In this guide, we will show you how you can delete a contact on iPhone. In addition to deleting a single contact, we will also share tips that will allow you to delete multiple contacts at the same time. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. To delete a single contact on your iPhone, launch the app called Contacts. On this app, you should find a list of all your contacts. Find the contact that you want to delete and tap on it. Then on the next page, tap on the edit button from the top and scroll all the way down. There you should find the delete contact option. Tap on it and then tap on delete contact option again. Doing so will delete the contact from your device. You can repeat these steps to delete more contacts from your iPhone. When you delete a contact, it will also get deleted from your iCloud account and removed from your other devices using the same iCloud account. If you want to delete multiple contacts at the same time, then you can use the double finger tap and slide gesture. Simply use two fingers to slide over your contacts list and select the contacts that you want to delete. You can slide with one finger and repeat this step as many times as you like. You can also deselect contacts by sliding over selected contacts with two fingers. After you are done selecting contacts, you can then tap and hold on any of the selected contacts and then tap on the delete option. Doing so will delete all of the contacts that were selected by you. If you have selected contacts and no longer wish to delete them, then you can dismiss the selection by tapping on any of the contacts. That's it. This is how you can delete a single or multiple contacts on your iPhone. If you found this tip helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.